Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to control 5 LEDs using hand gesture with ESP32. So for making this project I will be using ESP32, some male to female jumper wires, 5 LEDs, 5 1K resistor and a breadboard. Now moving towards to the connection part. First I will be connecting LED on the breadboard. Remember, shorter LED should be connected to the ground line of breadboard. So now I will be connecting 5 LEDs on the breadboard. Once you have connected 5 LEDs on the breadboard, now it's time to connect resistors with the LED. Resistor should be connected with the positive leg of LED. Once you have connected resistors to the LEDs, now it's time to connect jumper wires. I will be connecting 5 jumper wires to the 5 LEDs. Then I will be connecting 1 jumper wire to the ground line of breadboard. Now you need to connect all the jumper wires to the ESP32 as per this circuit diagram. Once you have connected all the jumper wires, now connect your ESP32 with the cable. Now open Arduino IDE. The code link I have given in the description. Open the Arduino IDE code. After that, you need to change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. I will be using my laptop hotspot as a Wi-Fi. I will be giving name and password of my hotspot. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you need to give password of your Wi-Fi. After that, you need to select the board. So go to tools and select a board. Select ESP32 dev module. After that, select the COM port. If you want to see how to find the COM port, so go to search bar and then search for device manager. Once you will open the device manager, click on the ports. In the ports, you will be able to see the ports to which your ESP32 is connected. After that, click on upload. Once the code is uploaded, you will be seeing the ESP32 will get connected to your hotspot. If you are using hotspot, it will get connected to the hotspot and you will be able to see the IP address. If you are connecting with the Wi-Fi, then you need to open the serial monitor and there you will be able to see the IP address. Now let's open the Python code. Before running this code, we have to download some libraries. We will be downloading CV2, MediaPipe and request libraries to run this code. First, I will be downloading CV2. Now we will be downloading MediaPipe library. Now we will be downloading request library. Once you have installed all the libraries, after that you just need to copy the IP address. Once you have copied the IP address, after that you need to change the IP address in the code. Once you have changed the IP address, you can run your code. After that, you will be able to control the LEDs using the hand gesture. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.